Did you know that, according to recent studies, nearly 50% of jobs are at risk of being automated by robots? It's a staggering figure that really makes you think, doesn't it? Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: robots replacing jobs. As automation becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's reshaping the workforce in ways we could have never imagined. What does this mean for the future of work and the implications for our society? There's a growing concern among workers about job security. As robots and AI technologies become more prevalent across various industries, people are understandably worried about what this means for their livelihoods. How do we navigate this new landscape? Let's delve into some specific examples of jobs that are currently being automated. In the manufacturing sector, robots are increasingly taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks, boosting efficiency and safety. Customer service is also seeing a shift, with AI chatbots handling a growing number of inquiries, providing quick and consistent responses. Logistics, too, is transforming with the use of automated warehouses and delivery drones. While these advancements bring significant benefits like increased productivity and cost savings, they also pose challenges, such as job displacement and the need for new skill sets. Now let's talk about a groundbreaking technology that's truly making waves. Meet the robot that's revolutionizing the healthcare industry. A surgical robot capable of performing complex procedures with precision and minimal invasion. This innovation not only enhances patient outcomes but also redefines the roles of medical professionals. However, it raises important questions about the future of jobs and the broader economic impact. To wrap things up, we've discussed the various ways automation is reshaping industries like manufacturing, customer service, and logistics. The rise of advanced technologies, such as surgical robots, underscores the inevitability of automation. As we move forward, it's crucial that the workforce adapts to these changes by acquiring new skills and embracing continuous learning. We'd love to hear your thoughts on job automation. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on future job markets and the latest technology advancements. Thanks for watching.